Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 22 May 2018, 13 of hour, 04 of minute and 22 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what are the predators of the woodpecker? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what are the predators of the woodpecker. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about what are the predators of the woodpecker. Due to their generally small size, woodpeckers have numerous predators in their natural environment that not only prey upon the woodpecker itself, but also the woodpecker's eggs. The main predators of the woodpecker include wild cats, foxes, rats. Last update Jan 9, 2017. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.